अगर मुझे आज से बल्कि अभी से ही सिर्फ 30 दिन के अंदर फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बोलनी है तो मैं ये आसान से 3 काम करने के लिए अभी से लग जाऊंगा. The first thing I will consider or do to speak fluent English in just 30 days will be building my foundation or vocabulary. I will definitely at first build my strong vocabulary, because if I don't have the foundation, I cannot speak English at all. If I don't have the strong base or foundation, I may not be able to speak confident English. Okay, so I will basically learn at least 10 to 15 easy English sentences with Roman Urdu translation for easy understanding. I will also use subtitles in English to have the better clarity about the English sentences. Basically, I will focus at first on building my vocabulary, because if I don't have any foundation or vocabulary, I will not be able to speak English at all. So the first step I will do to build my strong foundation or vocabulary, I will write those easy English sentences and memorize those English sentences. I will do more practice, because when I do more practice, I will be more fluent and confident about speaking those English sentences. I will basically talk about my daily routine. I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I eat breakfast, or I have breakfast at 6 o'clock in the morning. I brush my teeth. I make wudu. I go to masjid for prayers. Then I come back to my home. I also recite Al-Quran for 15 minutes with Urdu translation. I wear my uniform. Okay, I drink water. I leave my home for school at 9 o'clock in the morning. The first class begins at 10 a.m. at my school. I have lunch at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock. I come back from school at 3 o'clock. After this, I play with my friends at my home. So I do homework at 6 o'clock in the evening. I have dinner at 9 o'clock. I sleep at 10 o'clock at night. So this will be my first step if I want to speak English fluently within just 30 days. This is the first step I will take care of. This is the second important point or task I will do. I will practice speaking for at least 15 to 20 minutes on a regular basis, daily basis. In this way, I will become more confident and fluent at English speaking. Because if I don't practice speaking English, I will not be able to speak confidently. Okay, because the fluency comes from the mouth, not from your mind. So I will basically talk about my daily routine in front of the mirror. I will talk about these English sentences to myself loudly in my room if I don't get any partner. And I will surround myself with English. I will use English sentences while talking on phone. I will watch the videos in English with subtitles. I will watch the short reels on YouTube or Instagram so that I can have easy access to English sentence. I will basically be among the English speakers to gain more confidence. It is not necessary at first I may understand 100% English sentence. It is not mandatory. Will be in the association of English speakers. The more exposure I may have, the more confident I will become at English speaking. I will watch Khursheed sir's English videos on his YouTube channel, Khursheed sir English. I will basically read self-help English books loudly to myself for more clarity in words and sentences. So I will take these 3 steps to speak English fluently and confidently within just 30 days. So if you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also consider subscribing. And in the description below, I have given you a free PDF. Just click on the link and learn about 30 easy English sentences that you will use in your daily conversation.